Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can take long scrolling screenshot on your Android phone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. How to take a long scrolling screenshot on your Android phone. So the difference between a screenshot and a scrolling screenshot is that there are a bunch of differences. A normal screenshot only captures from the top to the bottom. However, let's say you want to take a screenshot of a long web page without having to take multiple screenshots. In that case, scrolling screenshot come into role. So in order to take a scrolling screenshot on your Android phone, first of all, simply open the settings app. Once you open settings, what you will do is you have to go ahead and select the option which says advanced features. Go to advanced features and tap on screen recorder and screenshots, and make sure that show toolbar after capturing is turned on. Now I will simply show you what the differences between these means. So if I take a normal screenshot right over here, you can see that if I go ahead and take and show you this particular screenshot, it is going to capture it only from the top to the bottom of that particular screen. But let's say that you want to take a screenshot of all of this page without having to take multiple screenshots. Now, let's say you're sharing a web page with your friend, you are sharing the notes. You don't want to take multiple screenshots because that is simply too confusing. In that case, you can simply take a long scrolling screenshot from the very top to the bottom. In order to do that, first of all, we're going to simply take a screenshot. And then what you have to do is simply tap on this down arrow button. You'll be able to see the progress at the right hand side. So tap on it again, depending on how much scrolling screenshot you want to take to the bottom. Once you reach the end, you can see we have successfully taken a long scrolling screenshot. Now I will simply go ahead and open that particular screenshot. And as you can see, successfully we have taken that long scrolling screenshot from the very top to the very bottom of the screen without having to take multiple screenshots on our Android phone. So as you can see, just in one single screenshot you have all of these options. This is basically what scrolling screenshots mean and how you can take scrolling screenshot on your Android phone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.